I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to show you how to install a PMB026. Greg, what's this fit?
This fits a 1978 to 87 Chevy El Camino. This is the hood to fender bumper.
Check our website for complete make, model, year information. Let's get started.
The removal of the fender bumper entails pulling back on the part and then forcing the whole item forward out through that larger opening in the slot that's created in the fender from original. Again, this being the profile. There are two per fender, and I'll move back and take this one out also. I'll go ahead and get these areas cleaned up. Okay, so this profile has to be installed into the fender in such a manner. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit of glass cleaner on here. Again, in that larger opening, and get our profile locked in there. And slide it into place. Do the same thing in this back one here. That wraps up the install of our BMP 026. Thanks for watching.